Is your website new? Do you want to rank it on Google? Awesome! This video is only for you. Once you will build a new website, you never get traffic on your website. No traffic, no sales. No sales, no revenue. Paid advertising is one of the worst ways to get traffic to your website. If you want to rank your website on the Google search engine you have to create a lot of backlinks from high domain authority sites. The more you create backlinks, the more you get rank fast your website on the Google search engine. So, what are backlinks? Backlinks are links from one website to a page on another website. If someone links to your site, then you have a backlink from them. If you link to another website, then they have a backlink from you. Search engines like Google see backlinks as votes of confidence. Generally speaking, the more votes your web pages have, the more likely they are to rank for relevant search queries. Important notice: you cannot create 200 backlinks in a day. Normally, you can create 200 backlinks in 30 days. If you create a lot of backlinks in a day, Google will block your website from their search engine. Also, before you create backlinks from another website you have to check their DA ranking. DA ranking is the most important thing. You have to create backlinks at least 30 plus DA sites. So, before you create backlinks, first check their domain authority status. To check it, go to Google and type Domain Authority Checker. Open this website. Now, paste here the website link and click on the check. You have to keep in mind that their website DA will be at least 30 plus. Where will I get the backlinks lists? It's so easy. Just go to Google and type high DA backlinks list. Here, you will get 1,000 plus of website lists. Now, open any website and collect all of backlink lists. How to create backlinks? Okay, let me create a backlinks for you. Now, I have opened this website, and I am going to click on Start. Type here the main keyword, and in this box type the description with the link. After filling all of the information, click on Submit. Finally, I have created a backlink, so you can also continue your work like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.